Okay, so for this problem we have two beams, and we are asked to find out whether they are statically equivalent or not. So to find that out, we're going to start off by summing our forces and our moments, and try to find out if the forces applied and the moments applied end up being equivalent to each other. So if we go to beam A, we can see that there are no forces being applied in the horizontal or x direction, so we can just go ahead and say that that's 0. So the forces in the y direction, we have a 60-pound force pointing downwards, and if we define a coordinate system where positive x goes to the right and positive y goes up, then that is negative 60-pound force going downward, and that's pretty much it. As far as some of our forces, we have, if we define our origin as, we could arbitrarily define either of these joints, but if we pick this one on the left, we find that our moment arm is this 6 feet, and so the force being applied is a 60-pound, and that is going to be a clockwise rotation, so that's going to be a negative moment, so negative 60 pounds times 6 feet. That is going to give us a negative 360 pound-feet. Okay, so now for beam B, we have same 0 forces going in the x direction, and for the y direction we have a 20-pound force going up and an 80-pound force going down. So that is positive 20 minus 80 pounds. That's 60 pounds going down, or negative. So now for a moment, picking the same point of reference, which is the joint on the left, we're going to calculate the moment due to that 20-pound force. So it's a negative moment because it's clockwise, and it's 20 pounds times the moment arm, which is 2 feet. So that's minus 20 pounds times 2 feet. And we have that 80 pounds, which is causing a clockwise moment, so negative minus 80 pounds times, that's a 4 feet between the point of origin and the point load. And this is going to give us a total of negative 360 pound-feet. And we see that as far as our forces, the sum of the forces in both systems in the x direction is equal. The sum of the forces in the y direction in both systems is equivalent, and so are the moments. So we can say that these structures are indeed statically equivalent.